हम नहीं हारेंगे. We will not lose. We will not lose. हम हार गए. We lost. We lost. मैं पैसे दूंगा. I'll pay. I'll pay. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं. I'm with you. I'm with you. तुम अकेले नहीं हो. You are not alone. You are not alone. मैं अकेला हूं. I am alone. I am alone. मैं बोर हो रहा हूं. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. मैं कंगाल हो चुका हूं. I am broken. I am broken. कौन जाने. Who knows? Who knows? वो कहाँ है. Where is he? Where is he? उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. मुझे तैरना आता है. I can swim. I can swim. उसे अंदर भेजो. Let him in. Let him in. नया क्या है. What's new? What's new? वह ताकतवर है. He is strong. He is strong. तुम बुद्धू हो. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. मुझे दोनों पसंद हैं. I like both. I like both. मैं आऊंगा. I'll come. I'll come. किसी ने झूठ नहीं बोला. Nobody lied. Nobody lied. बीच में मत बोलिए. Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है. Troubles are endless. Troubles are endless. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. तुम ऐसे क्यों हो. Why are you so? Why are you so? हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. तुम अच्छे हो. You are good. You are good. मैं डरा हुआ था. I was scared. I was scared. क्या है वो. What is that? What is that? वो थकी हुई थी. She was tired. She was tired. हम बैठे हुए थे. We were sitting. We were sitting. क्या तुमने कोशिश की. Did you try? Did you try? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. मैं जल्दी में हूं. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. तुम कायर हो. You are coward. You are coward. ये किसके लिए है? Who's it for? Who's it for? बहुत मज़ा आया. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. तुम में कला है. You have the art. You have the art. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. इस बार तुम पैसे दोगे. This time you will pay. This time you will pay. तुम्हें याद है ना? You remember, don't you? You remember, don't you? वो बेहोश हो गया. He became unconscious. He became unconscious. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. I did it for you. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? मैं नौकरी ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. ड्राइविंग सीख लो. Learn driving. Learn driving. तुम सीख जाओगी. You will learn. You will learn. वो अभी अभी गया है. He has just left. He has just left. हम रास्ता भूल गए. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ. I'm saying something. I'm saying something. इंतज़ार मत करो. Don't wait up. Don't wait up. मुझे भूतों से डर लगता है. I'm afraid of ghosts. I'm afraid of ghosts. मैं भूतों से नहीं डरता. I'm not afraid of ghosts. I'm not afraid of ghosts. वो फिल्म डरावनी थी. That movie was scary. That movie was scary. मेरी आंखों में देखो. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. आपकी आंखें लाल हैं. Your eyes are red. Your eyes are red. तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? इस पर एक नजर डालिए. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. उसने मुझे आंख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. मुझे केक अच्छा नहीं लगता. I don't like cake. I don't like cake. मुझे केक बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. I don't like cake at all. I don't like cake at all. ये तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है. This is my love for you. This is my love for you. मुझे हमेशा व्यस्त रहना पसंद है. I always like to be busy. I always like to be busy. आपको इतना समय क्यों लगा? What took you so long? What took you so long? माफ करना मुझे देर हो गई. I am sorry I am late. I am sorry I am late. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. वो बस से उतर रहा है. He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. नंगे पैर मत चलो. Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूं. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखिए. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है. I have no alternative. I have no alternative. मैं जानता हूं आप कहाँ रहते हो. I know where you live. I know where you live. मैं कल से काम करूंगा. I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? मेरे पास नगद रुपए नहीं है. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. मेरे दोस्त दोषी थे. My friends were guilty. My friends were guilty. मैं कल आपको फोन करूंगा. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. तुम अंग्रेजी सीखोगे. You will learn English. You will learn English. तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to the office? How do you go to the office? वो सुंदर लड़की थी. She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. वो घर किसका है? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? मैं बस कल ही आया था. I just came yesterday. I just came yesterday. तुम किस शहर में हो? Which city are you in? Which city are you in? तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from? Which city are you from? तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूं. I'm very happy with you. I'm very happy with you. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. वो बहुत देर बाद आया था. He had come after a long time. He had come after a long time. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I breathed a sigh of relief. I breathed a sigh of relief. अच्छा समय आएगा. Better time will come. Better time will come. बादल गरज रहे हैं. Clouds are thundering. Clouds are thundering. मन तो किया उसे थप्पड़ लगाऊं. I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? जो हो गया सो हो गया. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. मैंने उसे बहुत कुछ कहा. I said many things to him. I said many things to him. आप तो बिल्कुल भोले हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. आपको किससे मिलना है? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? वो बड़ा पत्थर दिल है. He is a hard-hearted person. He is a hard-hearted person. तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? मुझे अपने आप पर शर्म आती है. I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. मेज से कप हटा दो. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं. I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था. He had stood by me. He had stood by me. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What can I eat? What can I eat? मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही थी. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. इन सभी फाइलों को लेकर आओ. Bring all these files. Bring all these files. मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा. I will go to the market tomorrow. I will go to the market tomorrow. दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then.